Welcome back. We're playing Pilgrim Law, Fact or Fiction, the trivia game where history gets hilariously weird.
Yeah, so do you think the days of the first Thanksgiving were all about turkey and togetherness? No. Think again. In fact, they had some very interesting laws to keep everybody in line.
We have Jason Lichtenstein here from Edgar Snyder and Associates to test our knowledge. So let's get straight to the point. There are actually records from Plymouth Colony's earliest courts that have survived almost entirely intact. Is that right?
That's right. From 1621, there are court records going all the way till the late 1600s that give a really good window into what some of the crimes were like in Plymouth Colony.
Yeah.
So interesting.
Because and it is interesting to figure out what they thought was important enough to have a law against it, because some of it may seem really, really weird, and you're going to point that out.
We're going to play a little game today, and we'll see how good you guys are with your crime trivia for the Pilgrim.
I think we're going to nail this.
All right.
I think we got it. Okay, so what's our first question?
The first question is, how many witch trials were held at Plymouth Colony?
So
is this multiple choice?
it is.
Now remember, this is not the Salem witch trials.
Right.
Oh, okay. All right, Plymouth. All right.
I'm going to go with C.
Oh, I see. Okay.
C5. Number 3, 5.
You're going to go with number 3, 5. David?
I'm going to get, well, you said it was not Salem, so you know what? I am going to duplicate Heather's answer. I also am going to go with 5.
You were both wrong.
Oh, good.
There were 2 witch trials held at Plymouth Colony, and both of them were not guilty verdicts.
Okay.
And the accusers were actually fined for false accusations.
Oh, love that.
Interesting.
Yes.
All right. All right, you have another question for us.
So the next question is which of these is not a smoking violation in the Plymouth Colony?
Smoking violation, okay.
Okay, so smoking on board a ship, smoking during a trial, smoking in an outhouse, smoking more than 1 mile away from your house. I'm going to go with smoking more than 1 mile away from your house.
Me too, because all those other things I could see totally why those would be violations.
So the only one that wasn't a violation was smoking on board a ship.
Oh.
And why
that
they
makes
allowed
sense.
people to smoke on wooden ships,
Why?
I will never know.
Yeah.
But you could smoke. There was no smoking during a trial. There was no smoking in an outhouse.
Yeah, you don't want to burn down your outhouse.
No.
Of course not. And there was no smoking more than 1 mile away from your home.
Okay, so they're thinking, oh, we're on water. How can this thing catch on fire?
Right.
I don't know. Yeah, that sounds like a recipe for disaster. But all right, interesting. All right, the next question for us.
And this is about gun laws.
The next question is on guns. Which of the following was a gun law at Plymouth Colony?
Okay, so adult men must carry at least 6 musket balls at all times. Militiamen must bring a loaded gun to church, and children were to be trained in firearms by the age of 8.
You know what? I
was a
believe
gun law.
which one was. So 2 of them are not.
Correct.
I kind of want to say all of them are probable.
I was going to
Heather?
say, I'm going to say the first one. No. I'm going to say the second one.
I'm going to say the second one.
So the second one is correct. Militiamen were required to bring a loaded gun to church in case during the service there was some need to be prepared. They had their gun with them.
Okay.
They could go out and fight.
Wow. Okay. All right, the next one is about wildlife.
Right. So which of these following were a wildlife violation at Plymouth Colony?
Shooting a buck with less than 4 points, taking wild turkey eggs from a nest.
Catching a fish before it spawned, or harvesting more than 5 bushels of cranberry in a fortnight.
I'm going to say that one because that one's fun. That one seems just like a fun.
You know what? I'm going to
You
say.
took how many bushels?
Right. I think that one's fun too, but I want to pick something different. So I'll say catching a fish before it spawned.
You were right, David. Now here's my question to you. How would they know whether the fish had spawned after it's been caught?
Is it bloated? Is it bigger? I don't know.
Good question, but I don't think we're going to be able to find out the answer so soon.
I don't know.
Okay.
All right, one last one.
We have one more about voting.
Okay.
And the question is which of these was not a crime at Plymouth Colony?
Okay. Traveling on Sunday.
Failing to vote.
Harboring a Quaker.
Wearing a visor or other strange apparel. Again, I really love that one. They probably didn't have visors back then, so that
Which
can't
of the
be
following
it.
was not a crime? Failing to vote, I'm going to say.
I'm going to say 4, wearing a visor or other strange apparel.
Well, you were both right, and all of these were actual crimes. You couldn't travel on Sunday. If you failed to vote, you were fined a monetary amount. You could not harbor a Quaker, and you couldn't wear a visor or other strange apparel, which was never defined. And as a lawyer, we always were wondering, well, what the
What was
This
that?
is
Yeah.
a little vague, yes.
Okay.
But you guys did great.
You could argue that case, I'm sure.
This is a lot of fun stuff. Thank you so much for
Thank you
this. And we want to thank Edgar Snyder and Associates for sponsoring our Straight to the Point series here on PTL.
I think we did okay.
I think we did okay.
Yeah. Tune in next month for more tips and tricks from the world of legalese.